Want to use Adobe Illustrator without paying for it? In this video, I'll show you a 100% legal and safe way to get an Illustrator-like experience for free. It works on both Mac and Windows, and the best part, you don't need to download anything. Let's dive in. First, open up your computer and launch any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but Safari, Firefox, or Edge will work just as well. In the search bar, type photop.com and hit enter. This will take you straight to the Photop website. Click Start using Photop and you're ready to begin. Photop is a powerful online editor that looks and feels very similar to Adobe Illustrator. You can even import your own files by clicking Open from Computer, and it supports Illustrator files along with many other formats. Let me show you how easy it is. I'll select New Project. From here, you can set your own dimensions, tweak the settings, or pick from ready-made presets. For example, I'll choose YouTube thumbnail and hit Create. And just like that, you've got a blank canvas, almost identical to what you'd see in Illustrator. On the left, you'll find familiar tools, and across the top are menus like File, Edit, and more. It really feels like Illustrator, but it runs right in your browser, completely free. Now, you might be wondering, is this legal? Absolutely. Photop was built from scratch by independent developers. It's not owned by Adobe, and because it's supported by ads, you can use it at no cost without breaking any rules. You will see some ads along the side, but they're not too distracting. If they bother you, you can block them with an ad blocker or use a browser like Brave for an ad-free experience. And that's it. With Photop, you can design, edit, and work with Illustrator files without paying a cent. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips, tricks, and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.